Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. Yesterday, I have finally watched the movie that I've been wanting to watch since so many months. It is streaming on Netflix. I watched the trailer a long time back, but sadly could not go to watch the movie in the theaters, and I am here to review Adu Jeevitam, The Goat Life, which is starring Prithviraj on Netflix. This movie is nothing but a cinematic experience. It's based on true events about an Indian guy who moves to Saudi on a sponsored visa with a friend of his, and both of them are taken away by these random dudes in a random country on a random desert and are asked to milk the goats and just do whatever they ask Prithviraj and his friend to do. This is what the movie is about, and the movie is nothing more than crazy. I think the first 3 minutes of the movie, there's a shot which is of the galaxy, and there's camera pans up to the stars and directly comes down to the river. Not even a river, it's like a pool of water that Prithviraj is trying to have water from. The cinematography of the film and the direction in general is very, very nice. The movie is directed, written, and screenplays by Blessy, and I think he's done a wonderful job because the movie is a 3-hour film. It's a survival movie. It's very difficult to make movies like that, but he's done an incredible job. I think I did a major miss by not watching the movie in the theater because this is such a personal experience film, but there are so many things that I want to talk about it. So first, let's get into the cinematography. The cinematography was amazing. The way they have shown the desert and how lonely it can be, how wild it can be, how depressing it can be, but can also teach you how to survive, and the emotions that they've showed in the atmosphere. Some shots are great. I was like, how did he do that? Because they're just one takes, or I don't know how he did it, but one takes moving from one place to another. It starts from a desert, the camera just pans down, and suddenly it's a river of his village. Amazing shots. It's a master class of cinematography. I loved it. Coming to the direction, writing, I generally am not a fan of long movies because I kind of want it to get to the point as soon as possible, and then I don't mind watching it. But this 3 hours was surely needed because you need to build up the emotion, you need to show his backstory, you need to show where he comes from. There were points in the middle where I was really scared and wanting to know what happened, and it was too good, man. The way he's written every emotion, every scene, the way he's shown what he's going through. He's hallucinating and he's with a criminal in the desert. What he's going through in general was just too good, and I can see how hard entire team must have worked to make this happen because it's not an easy film to shoot. And when it comes to the acting, Prithviraj has won my heart. I'm a Prithviraj fan in general, but in this movie he was just too nice. From his body transformation to his hair growth to his in the start he is this innocent, sweet, likable guy. By the end of the film he can't even speak, and that whole transformation is so good. It's just I don't know, the way he's walking and his imagination of water, the road, he's with a criminal, and even that scene where he's standing in that jail and all these sponsors are coming and checking him and he's scared, and you can actually see it. I think this is one of his most strongest performances that I have personally seen in the last couple of months. This movie was just a feeling, I would not recommend this movie to everyone because I don't want to share it. I'm possessive about this film. It's that good. It's not just about the story, it's not just about the acting. I think every person in this movie has given 100% and worked extremely hard to make what it is, and I wish I could see it in the theater. It is such a good film. I thought that it's going to be a very philosophical film where you have to understand between the lines, and you have to really get into the film to understand what they're trying to say. That's what the trailer told me. I did not know that it would be a survival film like that, because what he's done is he's not told the story in the trailer. He's shown how cinematic it is, from the shots to the music to the acting, and I think that was amazing. There is a lot of philosophy in the film. I won't lie about it. When they're hallucinating and when the criminal is with him in the desert, there is some kind of philosophy, but it's not the kind of philosophy that you have to rack your brains in. It's a survival, cutthroat survival film. A to Z, simple, but so good. I have loved the film. I'm not over the movie. I highly recommend it. It's called Adu Jeevatam, The Goat Life, streaming on Netflix, starring Prithviraj, and take it in writing. If India sends this for the Oscars as the Indian entry to the Academy, then there are very high chances that we will be shortlisted. And just a very good film. Like, I only want cinema people to watch this film, not everyone. But yeah, it's just too good. Too good is not the word. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know what you think about it. Also, I'm sure that a lot must have gone in making the film, must have taken them years. He must have done a lot to make this film and stuff, which I am unaware of. So I would love to know that in the comments below. But yeah, I mean, thank you so much. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you very soon.